you doing?
Oh, yeah, I can listen you. What's up?
I'm good, bro. How are you?
Perfect. Let's do this thing, bro. Okay, guys, what do you prefer? How to correctly anchor standard deviations first, or like do first? Okay, standard deviation. Yeah. Okay, so let's do standard deviation first, and then we go. I'm gonna explain how to spot good rejection blocks. 6-7 please, 6-7 please. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna like I'm recording, by the way. So yeah, I'm recording. So I'll upload this call on the free Discord. Okay, so no worries if you cannot assist. But yeah. Okay, we're starting right now. Okay, so how to correctly anchor standard deviations. Wait, by the way, look here what I've said. Two free levels. Okay, for this week. I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. I don't know, but these levels will work. Trust me. If we have an SSMT, note this. Okay, note these levels down. This one. Okay. 054.75. And
You got 062 or 063?
yeah, 062.
Yeah, I got 062.
These two, one of the two will work. So note it down, and if you see a sequential SMT, take it. Okay, but yeah, let's keep going. Wait, can I show you some about this talking? Yeah, I'm recording, bro. No worries. Wait. Okay, so we can use today's example for how to correctly anchor standard deviations. So yeah, let's start. So wait, let me remove all. Okay, yeah. So we have two types of standard deviations. Okay, the first one is the simple one. Okay, wait. Okay, the first one is the manipulation standard deviation. Okay, so we take the highest point of the, in this case, okay, if you wanna look for lungs, the highest point of the accumulation to the swing low. Okay, so we mark it, and we have the correct manipulation standard deviation. Okay, and here we should have like a higher time frame PD array and any sort of sequential SMT. Okay, this is the first one. This is the AMD standard deviation. So take notes or screenshots. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna send it here. Boom. This is the AMD standard deviation. Okay. How do I open Nasdaq into, bro? I don't know. It's okay. See how. Okay. Yeah. This is the AMD one. For the break of structure one, I mean this one, if you mark it like correctly, this is gonna give you a lot of precision. Okay, every day. So we mark it from the last like, in this case, from the last high of the accumulation to the like break of structure. Okay, here I'm gonna show you like real examples, but imagine that here we have a here in the right side, I mean here. Wait. Imagine that here we have a like a very bearish this candle, okay, showing a lot of bearish displacement, closing below this low. If it closes below these lows, it's better, but we don't need it, okay. But if we see like a bearish on the 5 minute or the 15 minute, like a very bearish candle, we can mark this, okay, and this will be the break of structure standard deviation. And if we have like this is very precise. This is more precise than the AMD one. So if we have like as the same as the other one, any sort of sequential SMT or n higher time frame PD array, we can execute this straight without thinking 2 times. Okay, so yeah, this is the best one in my opinion. You can have both, but yeah, break of structure and deviation. And for like bearish trades, it's the same, okay, but vice versa. Okay. So we can assign it here. Okay. Do you want a premium roll? Okay, wait. I'm gonna give you this one. Okay. Anyways, yeah, break of structure standard deviation. This better than the other one in my opinion. But yeah, you can use both. Okay. So I'm gonna show you today's example because we had both today. So yeah. 15-minute time frame. Boom. Wait, the 5 minutes. Sorry. From this not like I'm gonna show you like last week's example because this is not like the perfect break of structure standard deviation, but yeah, we can use it. The first case, the first example, it's gonna be not from the break of structure one. No, I'm not gonna show today. But for the AMD one, yeah, we can use this. Okay. Why here? Why this? Because yeah, we can mark like here we don't have any swing low. Okay, the first swing is this one. So yeah, it's very big. We can go to 3 minutes, but it's not gonna be like the same as the 5 minute or 15. So yeah, we can mark this one like list the market open. This is a good AMD one. Okay, mean manipulation one. I think here we have an SSMT with ES or YM. I don't know. Let me check it. I think it's wait. No. No, we don't have any SMT. But yeah, it works, okay? This is the manipulation one. So we mark it. And we want to align these levels with any kind of, I mean, one hard time from PDRE. So we go to 4 hour. And here we have a fair value gap, okay? We can mark, I'm gonna mark like the OTE because it's, for me, it's better, but you can mark only the C. So let's do it like this, okay? 1 hour time frame, we see, what do we see? Another fair value up here. This one is aligning with the -2, so yeah, it can be good. Yeah, that's it. So here we have two trades, two options. If I don't know if we have an SSMT here, but if we have an SSMT here, I think we have one with this low. We can execute this trade, okay? And we will have like a 63 point trade. But if you wanna be like me and be more patient, okay? I mean, I would wait for like an SSMT within these lows and wait for this level to be hit. Why? Because if you go to the 4 hour, once we were at 10 a.m. we had a bullish fair value gap, so we can mark it, okay? And we have the OTE aligning with the -2.5, okay? And yeah, you can see that price goes like a little bit below the fair value gap, but it's only like 3 points of drawdown, I think. Wait, let me check. Yeah, 3.5 points. So you can like put a limit order here Bro, I was blind. I didn't see it today. I didn't see it. I'm stupid as fuck, but yeah, it happens. I don't care. Yeah, 10-point stop. Okay, whatever. And you can target whatever you want. This PSP or all device if you are patient. Okay. We had an SSMT here with 90-minute SSMT, and also I think we had an SSMT within this within this lows. So double SSMT, daily and no wait, it's daily and 90-minute cycle SSMT. So yeah, this is today's trade. Okay, using manipulation standard deviation, a 4-hour fair value gap, and SSMTs. Okay, you don't need more than that. Okay. Why I have these levels? Do you want to know why or no? You're cold. Okay, I'm gonna explain it. 50 minutes time frame. What do we have? I mean, this is not valid anymore, but I'm very sure that tomorrow, tomorrow is accumulation, by the way, so don't expect like big moves. And yeah, if I see price going like a little bit in Asia, going down and forming like a good leg to mark my STDVs, I'm gonna mark it and I'll probably have like the same level, because yeah, usually it's like this. But imagine that we don't know this happened. Okay. Break of structure standard deviation in the 15-minute. Okay, and we have -2 aligning with the OT of this 4-hour wick rejection block. And here we can see that this is a good rejection block. Okay, why is this a good rejection block and not, for example, this week? Okay, this week is not a good rejection block, a good week. No, also yeah, it is. Sorry. Whatever week, yeah. Here, this week is not a good rejection block, and bro, it's not even a rejection block. It's not a good week. Why? I mean, you can see that price didn't respect it. Okay, why? Because this week is not rejecting anything. Okay, if this week it's like this, like a little bit lower, yeah, this is a rejection block because it's rejecting this fair value gap. But the week is like this, and it's not rejecting anything on the 4 hours. So this is not a 4-hour rejection block. If we go to the 1 hour, I'm sorry, 1 hour rejection block. Yeah. On the 4 hour, the same. I mean, yeah. This is a rejection block at the moment. We need to wait for the. No, wait. Price closed, I think. Yeah. This is a rejection block on the 4 hour, because it's rejecting this fair value gap. Okay. So, yeah, we can mark it for tomorrow, maybe, I don't know. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna keep explaining the trade. Did you all understand the difference within a wick and a good rejection block? Because it's very easy, but it's very important as well. So yeah, you must know it, my opinion. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna keep explaining today's. Okay, so 50-minute break of structure standard deviation. Why here? Why? Because if we mark like a horizontal line to the right side, okay, we can see a bearish candle. I mean, a bearish candle showing a lot of bearish displacement. Okay, it's closing below these lows. Yeah. Okay, so this is a good rejection block, and that's why, sorry, a good break of structure standard deviation. Okay, that's why I had this level, and that's, if you go to the 4 hour, okay, you mark this is a 4 hour PSP and a 4 hour rejection block, so it's better. if we mark it like this, the OTE, okay, the fuck, equilibrium, it aligns perfectly with the 0.79 or the 0.79 perfectly. Okay, if we go to the 1 hour and we mark the same rejection block on the 1 hour, this fib, okay, we see that the level it's between these two levels, okay, these two, okay. Also for the other level, I marked on the 5 minute. I think I marked. Wait, let me check because I don't remember it. Wait. Yeah, it was this one. Okay, this is the. Wait, let me remove everything. Okay, it was this one. Okay. This is the 5 minute break of structure standard deviation. Okay. The fuck. Why here? I mean, yeah, here we have a swing. Okay, and we can see that it's showing very displacement, but price. I mean, it's very early. This is like the internal break of structure. I mean, I always want to wait for a big standard deviation. In this case, okay. If we put it like this, we can see that. Yeah, it also almost align. No, it doesn't align. I mean, the minus 4.5 almost aligns with our level, but we can use it. But yeah, for me this is better. Okay. Why? Because here, there's displacement, boom, 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 alignment. Okay. Yeah. So this one, minus 2.25, aligns perfectly. If we go to the 1 hour, first we can see that aligns with the 4 hour OTE, okay, of the week, and secondly, it almost aligns with the C of the 1 hour rejection block. So yeah, that's why I have these two levels. Okay, for tomorrow or for this week, I don't know, but yeah, let's see, we'll see. Okay. Also, next we use no, I don't use it. I mean, I have it, but I don't use it. I don't know how to use it, to be honest. I think. Yeah, we can do it, bro. We can do it. Next tomorrow. Tomorrow what? No, I'll do it today, bro. I'll do it today. No worries. After this call, bro. Okay. Do you want more STDV examples? AMD? Only AMD? Or also break of structure? Because break of structure is better, in my opinion. But yeah, if you want both, we can have both. Okay, I'll do both. No worries. Okay. What would you make? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna look. I'm gonna show you one trade. Okay, of last week. I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. Okay. For example, here Thursday. No, sorry, Tuesday. So, yeah. Let's see. Here, what do we have? Guys, what is this? What is this? This leg? What is this? You need to look, okay? That if we mark it here, yeah, we can do it. Okay, it's not perfect, but we can do it. But if we mark it here, it's better. Why? Because of this. Okay, what is this? What is this leg? This leg. Someone answer me. Also, keep in mind that we are marking it. I am marking it from the left to the right. Okay, this break structure standard deviation. Okay. Why? We take the we see an accumulation here. Okay. And I take the highest point of the accumulation. Okay. I mean, yeah. In this case, the highest. It doesn't. I mean, we don't need to take the highest point, but yeah, in this case, it's the highest point, and it's the last swing. Okay. So this is important. We take it. We anchor it to the break structure. Okay, why? Because this candle is showing displacement, and we have these levels. Okay, also I'm gonna mark it open as well. Wait, the fuck? What the fuck is not playing, bro? Okay, now I think, yeah. Fuck, bro. Okay. I think if we go to the 15 minute, we can mark like, yeah, here. This the. I think this can work. I mean, if we have an SMT here, it is a good leg. If not, it's not. Wait, let me check. Okay, no. Okay, no. I mean, we can use it, okay, as the fuck. We can use this one as the manipulation standard deviation. It's not really manipulating anything, but yeah, I mean, it's manipulating like this accumulation only, not this highs, but yeah, we can. It's valid. Okay, so we can align both levels. I mean, these levels with these levels. Okay, and with hard time frame theory. So we can see that these three levels are aligning very good, and that's it. Okay. Also, it's very close to Asia deviation. As you can see, these lines are Asia deviation, and this level in specific minus 2.25, it's very close to mean this line, this purple line, it's weekly open, and it's very close. So this can be a good level. Also, if we go to the 4 hour, yeah, what do we see here? Inverse fair value gap. The C aligns perfectly. Okay. If we go to the 1 hour, we don't have anything, but we have the weekly open. Okay, that's enough for me. And here we don't have any SSMT because I remember this day we have another thing that is called SMTF, but yeah, I'll keep it for the premium. Okay, so yeah, we can simply put a limit here. Boom, boom. Okay, that's it. Also, if you wanna like, I think the next day happened exactly the same, bro, but with an SSMT. Okay, wait. It was the next day? I think, wait. Did you all understand the trade that, the trade I just showed right now? Let me know, because from higher and lower time frame. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's it. It's bro. This model is very easy. It's very easy, and yeah, it's simply very easy. Bro, if you like, once I started trading this model, I was like shit because I wasn't following my rules, bro. This, like, if you follow your rules and like if you do like, I know you hear this everywhere, but bro, following your rules is and your system and trusting your system, it's the most important thing. Okay, it's the most important thing. And yeah, bro, just stick to this, bro, because you can see that it works almost every day. Every day you have to be patient, and you have to like, yeah, be patient, bro, and align these things, because, bro, they will work every day, every day. Okay. Wait, let me check it. No, fuck. Anyways, I can do it. Let me check. If we go to 5 minutes, I don't know if this will work, but yeah, we can see. Okay, in this case, wait, let me check this. Okay, what do we have here? What do we have? What the fuck? What is this? Inverse rally up. Okay. This is like the same as the day before. Okay, this is like the same trade, exactly the same. Okay. And after this trade, I'm gonna show rejection blocks. Okay. Yeah, we have this 3 minute. I mean, if you don't see, like, yeah, so it's like the same, almost the same. The 5 minute, we can use it. Yeah, also we have, this is a little bit difficult to see, okay, but this is also a break of structure standard deviation. Okay, this one from this high to this low. We go to the 3 minute. I think we can see it. Yeah, look, do you all see it? From this high, it's manipulating this high. We have an accumulation, and here price breaks structure and goes to the downside. Okay, do you all see it? Okay, perfect. Yeah, so look, minus choose, -4 aligning, weekly open, and C of the 1 hour inverse. Okay, and also we have a 5 minute rejection block. This is a good rejection block because it's rejecting this like kind of order block on the, I don't know what time frame, but yeah, it's rejecting, and it's rejecting also this fair value up. So yeah, we can mark it, and we can know that if we have an SSMT, this will be a good zone. Okay, this entire zone. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna check if after the trade, I'm gonna check if we have any SSMT, but yeah, wait, we can simply, I don't know, do like, I don't know, maybe here or at the level, I don't know. Let me check if we have any more conferences. Yeah, it's rejecting this order block as well, the 50-minute rejection block. What the fuck? We can simply put it in the C of the rejection block. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna get filled, but okay, we didn't, because the real fill, it was this one or the new week open. Okay, but yeah, you can see that we're very close and it works. Okay, and I think here we have an SSMT. This would be maybe with these lows, this would be like a 90 minute. Yeah, we have, because I remember we had an SSMT. But yeah, we can see that it's very close, bro, and we have like, yeah, we're predicting the market, bro, to the tick. Okay, I recommend to focusing on, if you wanna, like, you can focus on both. Okay, both are good, but the break of structure one, bro, it's, in my opinion, it's perfect, bro. But yeah, I would use both, to be honest. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna show one more break of structure standard deviation, and then we will do rejection block. Okay, because yeah, bro. Oh my god, bro, this is crazy. I mean, it's not, yeah. Okay, look, this is like a bigger one, and we are bottom ticking, like low of the day. But yeah, Oh my god, bro. Here, accumulation. Okay, we take the last, the high. Okay, and anchor it from the breaker structure. Okay, here it's not like closing below, but if you skip if you skip this candle, bro, you see this bearish displacement, and you can see that price start like dumping, bro, very hard. So yeah, you can just anchor it there, and yeah, I don't know if we have any. Wait, I'm gonna check it. This is not a. I mean, yeah, it's sweeping this. No, yeah, it is a good rejection block because it's sweeping these lows. I don't know. Yeah. In this case, we didn't have like any good. Bro, this is London, by the way. So yeah, we didn't have any good PDRA, but yeah, look, you can see that it works. Also, yeah, it's like it also is a 1 hour breaker flush standard deviation. But yeah, I'm gonna show you like one on New York because it's like that's what we use. But yeah, wait, let me check it. Maybe. Yeah, I want to show you like a good one. Yeah, easy one. Okay. Let me go to the 15-minute. Also, you can also mark it. Yeah. Look. Here we have both. Okay, we have two. Okay. We have this one and this one. This one doesn't hit. Okay, almost. It got edged by 3 points. But this one, yeah, it got hit. Okay. So why this one? I mean, you can also mark it like this and grade like this. It's not better, but yeah, both work. Okay. So why here? Accumulation. Okay, we have an accumulation. I mean, you just want to like have like one or two and try to align PD rays with that. And here we can see that this is the first high we see. Okay, these two candles are forming a high, and this one, if you like draw a horizontal line to the right, you can see that these candles are showing bullish displacement. So yeah, this is a good breaker structure. Okay, and price, like, it's after this it's going up, only up. After this, yeah, it's going up at the start, but then it starts to accumulate. So yeah, it's not as good as this one. So that's why this works and this doesn't work. Okay, but I think if you mark it like this, okay, like this is the manipulation standard deviation. It works. Look. So if you have both and align them like this, you can do trades like this. I think these all-time highs, so we don't have any PDRA, but yeah, just play off of SSMTs and rejection blocks or PSPs. Okay, if you see that this candle in the 5 minutes, if you see that we have an SSMT, okay, maybe with these highs and with this high, by the way, this would be a what the fuck, a daily SSMT. Okay, if you see that we have double SSMT and its price is rejecting, enter the C of the rejection block, stop loss at the high, target accumulation lows, or you can target also this, but I don't know if price will hit it. No, we probably have an SMT here, but yeah, you can target midnight as well. Target whatever you want. Be smart with your targets as well. Yeah. Also, let me check if we have a long. for this. I mean, not standard deviation for this. Okay, wait, let me do this. Okay, boom. On the 5 minute, we can mark it. Yes, we can do it. Okay, this is a 5 minute one. Price is rejecting. Sorry, it's showing bearish displacements here. Okay, but wait, let me check if we have an SMT. 5 minute. No, we don't. Okay, anyways. Yeah, this would be like a good. I think price is not going there, but yeah, wait, let me check. It's not going there, but yeah, if we mark it maybe the like this on the 5 minute, I mean, we can mark it like, look here, we this is 5 minutes, okay, so here we see that price is accumulating like for 20 minutes, no, 25 minutes. So we can just take the last high, okay, like look, the last high on the accumulation to the start, to the breaker structure, boom, alignment, 4 hour. What do we have? Daily open, okay, see, I mean midnight open, and also we have like this weird order block, but yeah, it can work. Also, yeah, no, this is very chopped. This is very chopped, bro. I would like, if I was this, I mean, if it today was this day, I would have put a limit here, minus 2.5. It's aligning perfectly to see, but yeah, it's not being, I mean, price didn't hit it, so yeah. We have like the order block and midnight open, long. Only remember, only if we have an SMT, okay? Long and boom, okay? Did you all understand it? Yeah, I'm gonna upload it, no worries. Also, wait, let me see. I don't know how I don't know how how I should call you, but what the fucking what WTFNN fuck gold. I'm gonna send you yesterday's recording, okay? Yesterday's call. So no worries. Anyways, yeah, this is being recorded. No worries. Okay, now we go to rejection blocks. Always only look for 4 hour and 1 hour rejection blocks. These are the best rejection blocks. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Let me spot like a good. Okay. Look. What is this, guys? Okay, tell me if this is a good rejection block or no. This. Okay, watch it and tell me. Is this a good rejection block? Okay, perfect. It's a good rejection block, okay? Why? Because it's rejecting bullish PD arrays. In this case, fair value gap number 1, and another fair value gap here. I think it touched, yeah. Another tiny fair value gap here, boom, rejection block. Now we go to the 4-hour. Let me draw this. Okay.
Yeah.
Dobre. Okay, wait. Dobre. Okay.
¿Qué pasa? What are you doing? You're
¿Qué
teaching.
pasa? Break of structure and standard deviations and rejection blocks. Okay, guys. If
Yeah,
we
I'm
go to
not.
the 4-hour, okay,
Okay.
we can see that the same week, okay. Here we have 4-hour fair value gap. Okay. Is this a good rejection block? Look, I'm gonna like zoom in a lot. Is this week a good rejection block? Guys, is this week the 4-hour a good rejection block? I'm gonna zoom in a lot because it's easy. It's difficult to see it, but okay, yes, but not only because it's rejecting the fair value gap. Okay, yes, it's rejecting the fair value gap, and also keep in mind that we're on the 4-hour time frame and it's sweeping 4-hour liquidity here, this low. It's being swept, so these are good rejection block because it's rejecting the 4-hour gap and also it's sweeping the previous 4-hour week. Okay, so yeah, and we can see that it's the same rejection block for both time frames, so this is a perfect rejection block. Perfect. So now we draw our standard deviations. Okay, first one, this one. Yeah, we can like draw this one and the 5-minute. Maybe we want alignments with DC, okay, of the rejection block. Yeah, also this one. Look, 30 minutes. Okay, no, sorry, 50 minutes. Okay, you can draw it like this. Yes, you will see an alignment. No. Okay, so do it like this. You want to play with standard deviations only. Okay. So 50. Wait, I'm gonna remove this. 50-minute manipulation standard deviation. Okay, this one, this whole range. And if we go to the 5-minute and we take the last, look, now this, we take the last swing before the displacement. Okay, so in this case is this one, this leg. Okay, we mark it, break of structure here, alignment with the C. Okay, we have two levels aligning. So if we have an SMT here, we just do this, bro. Boom, boom, boom. This is A plus for me. This is what I consider A plus. Okay, whatever you want. Boom. Zero drawdown, by the way. Profit right there, stop loss right here. Boom. And keep going. Yeah, TP. Okay, I think we have an SSMT. This would be a daily SSMT. Let me check it. Yeah, we have one. Look, Nasdaq didn't take the low. YM did it. Daily SSMT. Okay. Did you all see that if you align things, wait for the SMT, and yeah, be patient, you can take like these trades, bro, and you are not paying for a mentorship, bro. You are not paying for a mentorship because you can, yeah, bro, you can like find dudes on internet that teach it for free, and it's easy, bro. It's very easy. So, bro, just follow your rules, be patient, and yeah, don't force setups. Okay, don't force rejection blocks like wicks. Don't force them because they will not work. Only look for good rejection blocks, and you will be profitable if you follow this. I swear. I swear. Okay? Did you all understand it? Guys? Perfect. Guys, put me yes. All of you. I mean, yes if you understand it, no if you didn't understand it. If not, I'll explain it again. Okay. Look. 50 minutes time frame, okay? What the fuck? Let me remove everything. We mark. Wait. First, I always start marking PT arrays, okay? Because then that's why I can look for alignments. Okay, so first mark PT arrays. This case, rejection block. This is a good rejection block because it's rejecting upper value gap and also this tiny fair value gap. Then for our time frame, you can see the same. Is it a good wick? Yes, because it's sweeping the previous 4-hour liquidity and it's rejecting the 4-hour fair value gap. Then, yeah, we can see that it's the same rejection block on both time frames, so it's a good rejection block. Okay, so we go to 50 minutes and we anchor start deviations. First, I know you will do it like this. I would do it like this as well, but then you can see that it's not aligning, so you can do it like this, and we can see alignment now. So then go down to 5 minutes to try to look for break structure stand deviations. We see that we have one here. Boom. Why? Because it's this candle is showing displacement. Okay. We have 2 standard deviations there, aligning with the C. Also, we have an SSMT with this low. Okay, we can see it here and here. Limit the C, and there. Look at the trade, 12-time highs. Yeah, I'm recording, bro. No worries. Look, guys. The break structure standard deviation. Always mark it. Okay. We see an accumulation here. Okay. Always mark it like at the last swing of the accumulation. Okay. Always mark it before the real displacement. Okay. So in this case, it's here. Okay, so to the swing high, from the swing high to the swing low, in this case. So yeah, that's how you mark it. Okay, understood? Perfect. So I'ma close. No worries, guys. I'ma close the call here. And yeah, I hope you all understood this because it's very important, to be honest. Okay, so yeah, bye, peace. I'm upload this. I'm gonna upload this like in an hour. Okay, bye. Wait. Hello.
Cheers, dude. Appreciate it.
No worries, bro. Bye. Yeah. Wait. I'm gonna show you. No, actually, no, sent. Wait. Here. Boom. These are my chart colors, guys. put the limit at the always at the PD array, C or OT. That's it. Okay. Bye.